Hello friends, today we will learn advanced operations of VI editor in Linux. So last time we learned some basic operations like how we can edit the file, how we can insert inside the editor by I command, how we can come out by escape command, or how we can come out without saving by :q command or by :q exclamatory sign, or how to save by WQ or by WQ exclamatory sign, or by X sign, or by Shift ZZ sign. So these were the ways by which we learned some basic operations. Today we are going to learn some advanced operations that are really used in real environment in the life of system administrator. So we are coming out of this file without saving. So this is a shadow file which keeps the information of the user and password. So we are not going to edit it directly. We will take the backup of this file to somewhere else with some other name, like example. Now I have taken the backup. Now we will try to edit this. So this will not directly impact our users and passwords. So in front of you, this screen will come for the first tag. So same you need to do. Every time you do any kind of practice, always take the backup of the file and do practice in there. Do not directly practice in configuration files. So what is the first thing that system admin has to do in his real life examples? First thing, customer asks always lot of time that I need the line numbers after every line. So how we can do that? So we are in currently escape mode, which is called command mode. So we run the commands in command mode. How we can do that? We will do here colon and we will give set number, or either we can do SENU, either we can set any. All three are fine, all three are same command. So we are going with SE space NU command. So once we set, once we do set NU, now we got the line number in front of every line. So this was the first basic that customer always asks. What is the second thing he usually asks? Second thing he asks, go to the end of the line. So how we can go to the end of the line? We can go by a command Shift G. If we press Shift G, we can go end of the file. And then he can usually ask, go to the first of the line where we was earlier. Then we have to press GG. So by GG we can come always to the top of the file, and by Shift G we can always come to the bottom of the file. So this is usually a user ask. Let me come out of this. I am opening another window to a screen. I am opening duplicate session. So what we learn, first command is SENU to set line numbers. Second command Shift G to come bottom of the file. Third command GG to come top of the file. Okay, these three commands we got. Now let's see what other commands we can work on. So if you have find out that you did any mistake, just come out by :q command. So next thing is user going to ask. Now suppose we want to go to the top, you can press by GG. Now he want that I need to insert a line after the bin. So I have to press the O button. Once I press the O button, it allows you to edit, and now it has come to insert mode and you can type anything there, and backspace key delete. So same way, if a user is saying that I need to insert a line before the daemon line, so for that you have to press Shift O. Shift O is for inserting the line before the previous line, which was daemon in this case. And always once you press the Shift O or O, it will always come to insert mode. To come out of this mode, you always need to press escape, and then you can remove the line by DD command. DD command is to delete. So what we learned in this, we learn O command. O key. Hit insert the line just after the previous line. So you can also write hit insert the new line. And what is shift O does? Shift plus O. Hit insert the line just before the previous line. And what is DD command do? To delete the line. DD command is to delete the line. Now suppose if you want to delete, let me come down for it. Suppose if we want to delete, I am using up, down and left side right arrow keys to moving. If I want to delete from here, then what I need to do? I have to press Shift D and it will delete all the line after the cursor. Where the cursor is currently right now, you can see it is on end and it is in green. Once you press Shift D, it will delete the line just after this. See, now nothing is there. By Shift D, we can delete from where currently the cursor is. So how we write it? Shift D is used to delete the line from where the cursor currently is. Now suppose if we want that we did a mistake and we wanted to reverse our action. So what we can do? We can run U command. If we press the keyboard U, it will return to its original position. So what we did, U key is to undo the operations. And now suppose if we want that no, it was right, we did the right thing, then we have to press Ctrl R. It will again come to the previous place. Then Ctrl R is for redo the operation. Now if we press again U, it will return it back. So we learn this operation. Now suppose sometimes user asks go to the last of the line. How we can go to the last of the line? So we have 4 options to do that. One is pressing end key. If I press end key, I will come to the last. If I press Y key, I will come to its first position, the line first position. So end, on. These are the quick ways to jump for the line, to come so fast, to come with the first position and to come to the last position. And suppose now after this user is saying write my name after this. So currently cursor is in colon. If I wanted to append any word after this, we have 2 options. Either we can press I button to insert mode, go to insert mode, and then we have to do the right key. Then we can type like my name, anything we can type here. Second option is we will press escape key again and the cursor again come to the colon. So here we have to press the A key, A for appending. It will directly come. So we don't have to press so many options, like first we press the I button, then we did the right arrow key, then we started. So this was the 2 key operations, but we wanted it in 1 key operation was by pressing the A key. It will come into insert mode as well, it will come into insert mode as well, and it will allow us to type as well. And now we can delete this with back arrow key. So what are the other operations we learned? We learned A key is used to append from where the cursor is currently is. Now suppose we want, I forgot to tell what are the other 2 operations. So other 2 operations are to come to end of the line or to first of the line are, one is shift dollar, one was end key, one is shift dollar, and to come to first of the line, one is 0. If you press 0, you will come to the first of the line. So let me write it there also. Shift dollar sign to come to end of the line, and 0 key is used to come to first character of the line. So we learned these operations, and other operations that I told you was end key is also used to come end of the line, and home key is also used to come to first character of the line. These are the operations now we have learned. Now suppose user is saying that we want to copy this line and paste another line. Then how we can do that? For that we have to do YY operation. YY. And now what we need to do, we have to press the P button. It will paste the line. So YY for copy and P for paste. Now suppose I need to copy both of the line to the new lines. So For that, what operation we will use? 2yy, because we wanted to copy 2 lines. So 2yy. First I press 2, then yy, and I press E button again. Now you see we have 4 lines of the same line. And suppose now again you find out that you did mistake, you can always do undo by U command, and it will delete all those 2 lines which we were added. If we press P again, it will add them again. Just remember, we are working in command mode, which is escape mode. We are not in insert mode. So let me write these also. YY command. Pressing Y key 2 times. Go copy the lines. P is used to paste the line. Suppose if we want to copy the 5 lines, then we have to do 5yy, and wherever your cursor is, it will copy all the 5 lines starting from that till 5th line. And same way P is used to paste. So for that we don't have to do TP, just one single P is here. So we can consider this that it is NYY, where N can be any number. It is depend on a customer how many lines he wanted you to copy. So you can just replace it by N number. It could be 11, it could be 12, 10, 5, anything. Now suppose we wanted to delete only the word, not the whole line. How can we do that? So we have to do that by DW. It will delete that word only. We are pressing again the undo button. It come back. So DW is to delete the word only. Same way YW is to copy the word only. Let me show you. Here is the word. I am going to press YW and then T. Now it has pasted the output. So wherever cursor was, it has pasted the output in the middle of that. Now pressing U to undo it. Now suppose I wanted to paste the output in next line, then how I can do that? I will use O operation. It will come into insert mode. There I have to press the escape mode because I want the command to be executed. For that I have to come in escape E and then press P again. So it has pasted the student word. Now if I press U and again U, it will come back to its original position. So no matter how many times you press the undo command, it will keep undoing until like you have changed the path. Suppose I am going to press undo again, it will delete the line. Undo again, it will delete the line. And now I want those lines back, redo again. So for that, Control R. So it is saying already to the newest change. Same way, if we want to cut and copy, then how it will work? We have to do the CC command. CC is for cut and copy. I did CC. It is cutted the line and now it come to insert mode. For that, if I go to paste the line here by P, it will not work because I am in insert mode. For that, I have to come out of escape mode and then press P again. And the line came again. So this way we can return. Let me write these as well. CC is to cut and copy. Only this command, only for this command, we always need to come out to escape mode because after CC command, it automatically goes to insert mode. So same way you can use NCC as well. NCC means same, the option was for YY. Let me do it. Suppose we want 3CC. So deleted the 3 line. I did press escape and I press E command. You need paste it again. And how to delete this extra line? By DD command. That I told you. Same way NCC, where N is any number, to copy as many lines that you defined. Now suppose I wanted to jump word by word, not by right arrow, left arrow key. Then how I can jump? If you press the B command, you will always go to the back by word. You will always go to the back. Suppose I am on end command. If I press B now, it is going word by word back. And now if I press W command, it will go word by word forward direction. This way also we can do forward and backward. So B is to jump word by word in reverse direction. And W is to jump word by word core word also. So these are the operations for today. It will be hodgepodge if I teach you more. So we will continue this advanced operation again. For today, I think these options are enough how to hover between the files or between the lines. By this way we can learn. So keep practicing and follow my channel so that you get updated for the latest video. Thank you.